Hi there. Today we've got the Cherokee CBS-1000. I think this is the first one I've done a video here. It's a tune-up and conversion report. This is for Robert in North Dakota. Okay, Robert. And yes, this was a used radio. It's not new. They don't sell these anymore. Over here in this meter, I've got it across the front. Got it in the side beam right now. Okay. Set it for a 4-watt carrier. Peak power on a 50-watt slug. Okay, that's 20 right there.
Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check.
Alright, and on side band.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. About the same thing, about 17. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Alright, you can access your extra channels right here. Let me hold that in. Come here, Joe. Turn on the power. Push the power knob while you're holding that in. Then you let it go. Now when I push that number, see, it's going to go through all the letters. D and then E is CB, so there's no letter for that one. So every time you push the emergency 19, right above it actually, sorry, number 1 button here. A, B, C, D. There we go. Okay. I'll show you that it's receiving okay.